Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and in this video I'll be decorating my coffee bar / station for Easter. Also included in this video will be a look at 5 DIYs I decided to include in this video. The tutorial for the DIYs will not be in this, but this will just give you a glance at how I put it all together. Sit back and relax and enjoy. And don't forget to leave a comment down below to tell me if you enjoyed it and if you see anything that you like. I'm showing you individual items that I'll be using in this video, along with where they was purchased. On this display, the children will get a chance to actually decorate cookies, and you will see the kit down below, the cookies and the kit. And on this one, you'll get a chance to see how the setup, where the children be able to get choose what egg that they want, and inside is a mini prize. And this is the DIY Easter Peak Cake. And now to bring it all together. If you want to see those tutorials, my Easter tutorials, I'll be bringing those to you real soon. And if you don't catch it here, you can always follow me on TikTok. So this is how it all came together. The DIY wreath, my collection of rabbits and bunny, the Dollar Tree signs, my mini DIY of nests and eggs, my DIY of treat jars, DIY Easter peep cake, And also a DIY of the carrots on the side in the vase. We have cookie decorating set up, and also the glitter eggs that the kids can choose whichever one they want with mini prize inside. All the cute rabbits you see here on displays are a part of my collection that I've had throughout the years. Hope you enjoy seeing me bring this all together for a happy Easter coffee bar / treat enjoyment. Did you see anything you like? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. I would like to thank you for watching, and as always, thank you, Amors, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and be blessed.